As a student of North Country, I had a really great experience. I spent a lot of time feeling very connected with the college, but also with the program. I felt very passionate about massage from the very first time I experienced it.
I think what sets ours apart, the thing that I like to focus on, is making sure that the students understand self-care and that they know how to take care of themselves and be healthy themselves so that they can have something to offer their clients and have a long career.
You are very one-on-one with instructors. They are very knowledgeable of the program. They've all been massage therapists for a very long time and bring a lot of knowledge back to us in the classroom.
You get an opportunity to step outside of the school itself and do chair massage. We offer students opportunities to work in hospitals and really see the people that they're going to impact with their work.
It has multiple functions. The students get to take their skills on the road basically and see how other people react to them, and that's really good because you are, as a career in massage, you might end up working in any number of different places. Our massage program here at North Country Community College is an approved program. In New York State, massage is a licensed healthcare profession, and our program's approved by New York State for licensure. So when a student graduates, they're eligible to take the New York State licensure exam.
I hope the degree takes me to maybe an assisted living home, maybe with my athletes. I want to take my knowledge and just bring it to others.
One of the nice things about massage is that it is a highly variable career. You can be full-time, you can be part-time. One of the things we talk about in their last semester is having a vision for your practice. What is it that is your interest, and how do you then pursue that once you leave school?